Hi, I'm Roland Leggett from Inside Australia, and today I want to talk to you about the recent Copilot updates for Outlook. Okay, Outlook is our primary communication and collaboration tool, and has been for the longest time. And I don't think there's anybody who wants to get more email, but it's not going away. So what we want to do is use some AI and productivity tools to enhance how we use email and to some degree automate some of the processes. Okay, so you've been using the summarized long email chains, drafting emails, some changes that have happened over the last few months. I'm going to talk to you about today. So have you ever wanted to chat with Copilot to gain insights from an uploaded image? Now you can. Whenever you're using the Office 365 Copilot app, whether it's in Teams, Outlook, or within the Edge browser, Copilot can help you understand and iterate on uploaded content. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly extracting information from images, such as even charts, handwritten notes, things like that. The other thing I've been using for years when we get an email requesting a meeting is reply with meeting. Now you can reply with Copilot in the meeting, and what Copilot will do is look at all the people and find a space in their calendar and then create a meeting around that. Because sometimes if I've got 7 people on an email, trying to find an hour, half an hour can be really difficult. So this is an incredible feature, reply with a meeting with Copilot. Okay, the other thing is, sometimes your inbox is a little bit chaotic, so you can say goodbye to that with AI-powered email categorization and prioritization. Okay, Copilot can automatically sort through all your emails into different categories, such as important emails, promotional, social, making it easier for you to have that laser focus on what really matters to you. When you're thinking about quickly responding to emails, smart email responses have vastly improved, and the suggestions on what you've got to cover in the email is also much better than the first iterations of Copilot. Copilot can now suggest replies based on context of the email, saving you time and effort, whether it's a simple acknowledgement of an email or a more detailed response. I often use it to answer technical, complex questions. Remember, this is the Copilot, you're the Copilot, so always check your answers, okay? But managing your calendar is so much easier now with those optimal meeting times based on everybody's availability. Helps you schedule these meetings easily and effortlessly, and it can also give you reminders and suggestions about follow-up items in your calendar. If you've got an upcoming meeting that you need to prepare for, Copilot can easily give you a reminder that in 2 days you have a meeting where you've got to do a PowerPoint presentation. And another thing, those pesky spam and phishing emails, there's an AI-based detection improvements that are built into Outlook, okay? And they're really here to save the day. Copilot's advanced algorithms can identify and filter out spam and phishing emails, which are getting more and more sophisticated, keeping your inbox clean and secure. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to demo a couple of those features to you. Some are available now, some are still in public preview. Managing your inbox can feel like a full-time job, but now Copilot in Outlook can help you prioritize what's in your inbox. It analyzes all your emails using both the content of your messages and the context of your job, like who your manager is and who's on your team, to highlight what's most important. You can then sort by priority based on Copilot's analysis. Let's take a look at this email from a new customer, Tailwind Traders. When you select it, Copilot shows you why it thinks it's significant and highlights what action you need to take. This is a key customer for the next few months, so you teach Copilot that all emails mentioning them are a top priority. Now, Copilot knows to prioritize any email from Tailwind Traders. Copilot is your partner helping you manage your inbox so you don't miss what's most important. Now, let's switch to Outlook Mobile. You have to run to a meeting, but you don't want to leave the customer hanging, so you need to draft a response on the go. We're making it even easier to be productive on your phone with Copilot in Outlook. Copilot analyzes the email and offers some suggested responses. Now all you have to do is pick one as your starting point and instruct Copilot on what else to add. Copilot generates the solid draft and it's ready for editing. Because this is going to a customer, you want to make it more formal, so you ask Copilot to adjust the tone. You can easily flip through the options and select which version you like the best. The second paragraph could also use an update. You can edit it yourself or ask Copilot to help. Let's highlight the relevant section and tell Copilot what you want to include. Once you're happy with the edits, you can accept the changes and your email is ready to send. So, some amazing features in Outlook which will help you manage your email and calendars, making it a breeze to improve your productivity. Stay tuned. Remember, there's updates that are happening fortnightly, monthly with Copilot and AI. So keep using AI, keep working on it. The more you use it, the better you'll get at it. Thank you very much for your time and attention today. It's been an honor talking to you.